5 bedrooms with own toilet and bath, house and lot, dito po sa Barangay Dalig, Antipolo City. Samahan nyo ako, libutin natin ang exterior and interior ng house and lot. Now guys, let's start our open house tour. Mula dito sa street level ng house and lot mo, mayroon kang 4-panel gate papunta sa iyong 3-car carport at ito yung pedestrian gate heading to your large and solid main door. Tara, pasukin natin loob. Upon entering dito sa pedestrian gate, unang mapapansin mo dito, itong space mo. This is 3-car carport, tapos yung side na yan yung large and solid main door. 2-panel gate, i-close lang muna natin ito. Tapos dadalhin ko naman kayo dito sa inyong open space for 3-car carport. Covered parking yan. And then yung ceiling mo, naka-UPVC ceiling panel design at meron ka ng mga LED light. Dito naman sa side na to, meron kang 4-panel gate. Yan yung papunta dito sa 3-car carport mo. And ito yung right easement. As you can see, yun yung lanay. Tapos itong side na to, naka-gravel para hindi na siya magputek. At ito yung corner glass, sliding glass window. Ito yung large and solid main door mo. Pero bago tayo pumasok dun sa loob, both side meron kang accent wall. Dito sa side na to, naka 60 by 60 tiles. Dito naman, naka UPVC at meron kang gorgeous outdoor lighting feature. Ngayon, pasok tayo dito sa loob. Pagpasok mo dito, unang mapapansin mo, itong double height ceiling, meron kang huge fixed window, at dito, both side, meron kang 2-panel sliding glass, at naka-screen na siya. And bukod dyan, meron ka pa ditong corner glass, yan, makikita mo yung carport mo, at dito sa right easement ng house and lot. Next natin, meron kang island kitchen countertop dito, and naka-black solid surface siya and white yung nasa ilalim. May mga drawer ka dito or cabinet. Yung upper cabinet, meron kang open shelving drawers. Ito yung sink. Ilalagay pa lang nila dito guys yung faucet. At dito yung drawer mo at ito yung cabinet. This door open up to your utility area and maid's room. Ito yung everyday kitchen mo guys. At dito, meron ka ditong right easement. Papunta yan sa 4 or 3-car carport. Ito namang door na to, ito yung iyong maid's room. Pero hindi na po muna natin bubuksan kasi may mga gamit pa siya. Balikan tayo dito sa kitchen. Next nating titingnan, itong door na to, ito yung for elderly room, guest room. Ito yung makeup area o study area. Meron ka ditong 4-panel cabinet, floor to ceiling high. At dito yung toilet and bathroom mo. Punta tayo dun sa staircase at tignan naman natin yung second floor para makita nyo po yung 4 bedrooms with own toilet and bathroom. Yan guys, welcome to second floor ng house and lot naman. Nabanggit ko sa inyo kanina, meron tayong 4 na bedrooms dito. Lahat po yan is merong toilet and bathroom. Unahin po muna natin yung bedroom 2. Dito sa bedroom 2, itong side na to, ito yung doon sa inyong maid's room. Yan, ito yung space niya. Tapos yung flooring na ginamit dito is naka wood tiles design. At ito yung toilet and bathroom. Puntahan naman natin yung bedroom 3. Dito sa bedroom 3, mapapansin mo both side, meron ka ditong window glass or sliding glass window. Ito yung facing ng right easement at ito naman yung sa utility area at ito yung toilet and bathroom. Ito yung bedroom 4. Yan, itong bedroom 4, katabi sa ng bedroom T, at ito yung facing ng right easement ng house and lot. Ito yung cabinet mo, at dito yung toilet and bathroom. Ngayon, nakita na natin yung tatlong bedroom dito with on toilet and bathroom. Ito yung hallway, papunta dito sa inyong family area. At ito yung double height ceiling. Maganda nito, maglagay ka ng beautiful chandelier dyan para mas lalong gaganda yung house and lot mo. Pero bago tayo pumasok dito sa yung master bedroom, specs of this home. Lot area po is 180 square meter. Floor area is 266 square meter, more or less. 5 bedrooms with on toilet and bathroom, 1 maid's room, 1 powder room, and 3 carport. As always, we will leave more information about this property on the description box of this video. Make sure po na lagi niyo pong tingnan. Ito po yung large and solid door nitong master bedroom. Yan, welcome po sa master bedroom. May 4 panel glass ka dito with the screen. Tapos yung inyong balcony, mamaya titingnan natin. Pero dito po muna tayo sa walk-in closet ninyo and toilet and bathroom. Ito, may mga open shelving ka dito. At ito yung toilet and bathroom. Dalhin ko naman kayo ngayon dito sa balcony. Yan. Dito sa balcony, hanggang dito siya. Yan, may wall. Mataas naman yung wall niya. At meron ka ditong trellis and canopy. Ito yung tempered glass. Mula dito, may view ka ng Sierra Madre sa side na yan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo itong bagong finisher ko na property dito sa Antipolo City. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button for notification para lagi po kayong updated sa mga bagong pin-featured na property dito po sa Rizal area and Metro Manila. Thank you and God bless.